Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure to have these handy before starting the repair. First, unplug your Thermomix TM5 from the power source to ensure your safety throughout the process. Next, carefully remove the base of the appliance by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. There are typically 4 Phillips screws that hold the base in place, so keep them in a safe spot for reassembly. Once the base is off, you'll see the internal components. Look for the locking mechanism, which is usually located near the top of the bowl assembly. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris that may be causing the issue. A clean locking system is crucial for proper function, so using a soft brush or cloth, gently clean around this area to remove any buildup. If you find that the locking system is still malfunctioning, it may be due to a broken or jammed part. Often, these components can be replaced rather than the entire unit. Check for any broken plastic clips or misaligned parts. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify the exact issue. Next, if you need to replace any parts, ensure that you have the correct replacements. You can find these online or at specialized appliance repair stores. Once you have the necessary parts, simply follow the reverse order of disassembly to reassemble your Thermomix TM5. Use the flathead screwdriver to secure any clips that might need extra pressure during reinstallation. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the repair process, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about traveling or making phone calls. Our service is designed to make repairs as convenient as possible for you. After securing the locking mechanism, it's essential to test its function before fully closing the appliance. Plug the Thermomix back in and make sure the locking system engages properly when the bowl is inserted. If everything is functioning well, proceed to replace the base by screwing it back into place with the original screws. Finally, remember to clean up any mess you may have created during the process and dispose of any old or broken components responsibly. If you need further assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to contact us for expert help. With these steps, you should have your Thermomix TM5 back in working order, ready to assist you in your culinary adventures once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.